Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video, and I'd also like to show some items that I recently purchased. So I purchased off of HSN this Griffin Cardon Bleu cardstock and embellishments. Super pretty. On the craft day, I didn't see too many things that caught my interest, but I looked online and I saw this set. Sorry about the noise. And I kind of been wanting it. I love the blue aesthetic of it, and it has like different things like plates, and so I really liked it. So you get these really pretty color and gold embellishments, and then you get some sentiments here. And then these really pretty, it has like bows and florals and just super pretty. And then also these, I think these are borders. And then the paper, which is super adorable. Let's see if I can share it with you here. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I don't really do haul videos anymore, but I will show you new products that I made if I have cards to share with those that I made with those products. So that's what we're doing today. So here's the paper in its front and back. Super pretty. I don't craft a lot with blue, but I adore this paper. Let's see. And that's the flip side. It's kind of toile looking, but not really, I guess. And then this one with the jars and such. It's really pretty. Let me try to get the other side of it for you. And I think you get 4 of each design. That's really unique and pretty. I like that a lot. And then you have this pattern. So while some of the patterns are kind of busy, you know, they would look really good as, you know, matted with solid cardstock. And these are like plates. And then, sorry about that. And I'm making a lot of noise today. And then this really pretty one. This design on the back. And then we have some solid colors. We have this blue. And then a lighter, real faint blue. And then another blue. So those are the 3 blues that you get. So now that's the collection. So let me share with you the cards that I made. Also, I used to make these cards the postal edge rectangles from Spellbinders. And then these super cute little doodlebug paper doilies. I purchased these with a gift card that I won from Diane here on YouTube. Daddy Die. And then let's see the cards. So first one, I think this is a 5 by 6.5. And I used the doily and then the border. Super simple card with the postage edge. This could be used for anything. I didn't put a sentiment on the front. And then I have a couple of small cards. I have this one with just a happy birthday. Another simple card. And then this one with the Goodwill. I think this is a stamp from Honeybee, I think. Yeah. Then I have this, was in my stash. I thought it went well. And I think this is my favorite card. The one with the little jar and the florals inside. I popped it up with some foam. And then I double layered it and used the postal edge cutting die. So those are the cards that I made with the Griffin Cardon Bleu. Blue or Bleu. And set. Let me know which one is your favorite. Have you seen this set? Have you purchased it yourself? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.